Hey pals, Kelvin here with the Lens Pal. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy gimbal moves to use on your next project. The first shot is the push in or pull out. This is going to emphasize your talent and environment. An easy way to cheat this shot is to shoot a pull out and reverse the clip in Premiere. So to do this shot, you're going to want to rotate around your subject in a 180 or 360 degree move. The longer the lens, the more dramatic the movement in the background will be. This is called a parallax effect. What this does is separate your subject from the background. The follow shot is a standard shot but can be used in multiple ways, like following from the front, the side, or behind. So just change it up and try some different variations of follow shots. For this shot, you start from your talent's feet and work your way up, which is a unique way to introduce a subject or character. The combo is a combination of all the gimbal moves in one take. Well, that's all pals. I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for our next video where we go over 5 advanced gimbal moves. This has been Kelvin with the Lens Pal, and I'll see you on the next one.